Imagine sitting in a graduate class in Brazil. The professor is speaking fast Portuguese. Everyone is taking notes and you are just there, lost. So I thought, what if AI could save me? So I bought these AI glasses to translate everything live in class. My plan is to skip the struggle of not understanding what the professor says. I want to understand everything like instantly as you are speaking. I want to be understanding what you are saying. But what happened next completely changed how I see studying in Brazil. So I got the glasses, very smart device. It promised real-time translation because I want to be walking into class feeling confident. I want to be participating in small discussion or pet talks. So that was it. I've cracked the code, I said to myself. So the first class, the professor starts speaking. I activated my superpower and it was quick to respond. The glasses tried to translate and then reality hits. It wasn't fast enough. It wasn't accurate enough. I still have to be looking into the screen for feedback rather than hearing the translation live in my ears. And worst of all, I realized that academic Portuguese is totally different from everyday Portuguese. You miss one key concept and you are lost for the rest of the lecture. So this is the truth nobody tells you. You can get admission in Brazil, you can get a visa, but if your Portuguese is weak, you will struggle academically with your research presentation, class discussion, even your defense. So Portuguese is not optional. It is survival if you want to live well in Brazil. Needless to talk of its importance in getting job too. You see, I've seen students miss great opportunities, not because they are not smart, but because they couldn't express themselves in Portuguese. Interviewed, failed, scholarship missed, confidence destroyed. So if you are planning on coming to Brazil to study or maybe for vacation, instead of investing on gadgets like these AI glasses, invest in something more important. Invest in a structured way to learn Portuguese specifically for foreigners coming to stay in Brazil, whether for a short period or long duration. There are apps actually that you can use to jumpstart your language journey, such as Duolingo, etc. But they all come with their shortcomings. You will not be able to learn accents. You will not be able to learn about Brazilian norms. So that's why we are starting a Portuguese class. And mind you, it is not your random type of Portuguese class, but an intensive Portuguese session for survival, for graduate interview, for presentation and academic writing. And if you are preparing to write CEPIBRAS, which is the proficiency exam that is totally recognized everywhere in Brazil, then this class get you covered. It is specifically designed for foreigners that are planning to come to Brazil or already living in Brazil and they are tired of missing opportunities. It's actually the type of Portuguese you need to hone your skills and get your dream job in Brazil. So like I said, it is designed for people that are already in Brazil or planning to come to Brazil, but they still struggle with the Portuguese language. Students that are, maybe you have been admitted for a master's or a PhD program and you're planning to come to Brazil, this class gets you covered. Or you are still in the application stage and you are preparing to do an interview in the coming days, then this class is also for you. So if you are serious about studying in Brazil, don't wait until you arrive to struggle. Just comment Portuguese and I will send you the link to join the class. The teachers will be Brazilian teachers and non-Brazilian teachers, so you can learn more than one accent at the same time. You see, AI is powerful, but it won't replace your voice in the classroom or when you are shortlisted for interview, be it for job or for admission process. So your success in Brazil starts with your ability to communicate and to do the communication very well. Again, if you're interested in joining this class, send Portuguese in the comment section and I will send you the link of how to join this class. I will see you in the next video. Até breve. Hello AI glasses. Can you stop this video? Ciao.